Hey guys, welcome to Behind the Recipe. Holy moly, this pizza looks so good. And it was so easy. Oh my God, we sauteed a little bacon. We had some leftover potatoes that we put in the bacon. And then we cut up some olives and some cheese and oh my God, tomatoes. I'm so excited.
Which is the piece that makes it look like a whole pizza?
What do you mean? Oh, you mean when you steal a piece?
Yeah. If you want to
Any
steal a
piece, you just sneak it back.
Oh, just one piece. Can you do it with two pieces or no?
You can do whatever you want, Parks. This is so good.
Oh, is that a good crust?
Flavor explosion. He's speechless.
See, here's the deal. When I met Lisa, I mean, I like good food, but you know, I ate and everything, and she would serve things like this, like she's serving. And I don't know what it is. I don't know what the flavors are. I just know it's wow. I know there's a lot of love in it. I know there's a lot of experience in it, but somehow, whatever you do, it becomes something else that I've never had before.
But you just filmed this video. You know what's in it. Tell me.
Well, now I do, but it's the flavors. If I was just tasting, I would be like, I don't know what's in there, but boy, is that good.
So good. And the crust is really beautiful and brown. And the bottom has like nice color on it.
Bubbles in it.
Bubbles. Oh my God.
And
Look at the side cut.
this is my favorite because it's, look how thin it is. It's like a piece of paper. And then you get to the crust on the outside. And it's got
Look at those. Show that,
big
that
bubbles.
side.
Look at see the bubbles in the crust? I can't believe I'm putting the food in it. Sorry.
This is lunch today, guys. You can do this. I know you can. Watch my pizza recipes. Do this recipe. Make lunch for your honey, for your kids. I'm gonna put a little chili flake on mine. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.
So good.